Hello everyone, this is Steven from Group 35 and our project is what are the challenges and the environmental and socio-economic impacts with the development of an EV charging infrastructure for non-commercial vehicles in urban and rural Australia. It sounds very difficult and complicated, but it has practical significance. As a representative of new energy vehicles, electrical vehicles have gradually become an important method to solve many problems. However, at the same time of the development of electrical vehicles, the supporting electrical vehicle charging facilities must be reasonable planned, which needs to take into account many factors. The the electric vehicle market in Australia has enormous potential. There are a lot of challenges and benefits associated with the development of such infrastructure in Australia. And here are some main points we have to solve or analyze. And the first one is distribution of charging station. A large number of original data are collected to lay a foundation for analyzing the data status in Australia. Then a model is found to analyze this data through mathematical modeling to determine the location of EV charging infrastructure. And after that, energy demand and the impact on the electricity grid, the number of charging stations to be built in an area is estimated after the location of the area is selected. Next, electrical demand will be analyzed to see if this demand can be met using renewable energy source and without whether this option is feasible or not. And there are some impacts. The first one is economic impacts. The model can predict the development of Australian electrical vehicle market and the changing trend of the number of commercials or customers, which we attribute to the economic impact. And the second one is social impacts. Social benefits of electrical vehicles include increased nation security, improved air quality and health, demonstrate economic development and environmental benefits. The last one is environmental impacts. Modeling could also be considered to get the comparison between the electrical vehicle emission based on charging from EV charging infrastructure powered by the electric grid or renewable energy source. And here are some conclusions. We found that this research will help identify the gaps in our current EV charging infrastructure and will help in finalizing of optimal charging location using two-stage graphs, which will result in optimized charging infrastructure across both urban and rural Australia. The proposal will be able to justify by outlining the positive environmental, economic, and social impacts determined through many quantitative methods outlined in this research proposal. This research will lay the foundation for further advanced research in this field and can be utilized by both the public and private sectors in development of their business plans for construction of this kind of things. That's all. Thank you for listening.